Racing just is started. We have Smarties break quickly to start. Moving up on the outside, Pride of Rosario, tremendous Ethan. Running by the rail comes Morning Sir. Then followed over by Panamera, Gintong, Gantimpala, Brian's Girl, while Dragon May is the early trailer. And as they swing down the back, we have Smarties by our neck. And on the outside comes Pride of Rosario. A length further back in third comes Morning Nasir. Then followed over by Panamera, Tremendous Ethan, Brian's Girl. Then followed over by entry number 5, Gintong Gantimpala. While Dragon May still racing less. And at the far turn, we have Pride of Rosario by about 2 lengths. Is Martias in second. Morning Nasir is still in third. Then followed over by Tremendous Ethan. Next online now is Panamera, Brian's Girl, Gintong, Gantimpala, Dragon May. And as they swing for home, we have Pride of Rosario by a length. Down on the inside comes Smarties with about 100 meters of the race. We have Pride of Rosario followed by Smarties in second. Pride of Rosario, Smarties, and finally it's Pride of Rosario. Smarties, Tremendous Ethan, then comes Dragon May and Gintong, Gantimpala.